March is Brain Injury Awareness Month, but most high-performing men won't relate to the awareness campaigns because they don't look injured. They're still working, still leading, still providing, still functioning. But something shifted. Energy costs more, focus takes more effort, irritability shows up faster, recovery takes longer, and no one talks about that version of brain injury. High functioning doesn't mean unaffected. It means you adapted. And a lot of men respond to trauma the only way they know how. They push harder, more discipline, more grind, more force. But after brain injury, force backfires. When regulation drops, intensity doesn't create performance, it creates collapse. You don't need more intensity, you need precision. You need to understand your new capacity. That's the part that messes with identity. Because if you built your life on discipline and output, and suddenly your energy shifts, it feels like something's wrong with you. But what you're experiencing makes sense. Your nervous system changed. Your energy envelope changed. Your recovery window changed. Your capacity changed, not your character. Brain Injury Awareness Month shouldn't be just about sympathy. It should be about understanding capacity. So if you're a high-performing man navigating this quietly, functioning on the outside, but recalibrating on the inside, this channel is for you.